Hey guys! Alright, so we are going to add some highlights to this wig, alright? This is Kinks with heat-free hair, okay? Client sent it in. We are going to add in some highlights. However, there's an issue. They sent in the hair a while ago, and then we had to order another closure, but the closure is a tad bit darker than the actual hair. So, my goal is to add the highlights and in the process lighten the hair too a little bit on the top, and you'll see how I do that. All right, so she just wanted a little bit of highlights, so we are going to add just a little bit of highlights. All right, honey blonde. So I got my Blonde Me 30 premium developer, and we got my Blonde Enforcing Blonde Me lighting powder, bleaching powder. All right, so we got, get your gloves. Don't forget your gloves. Okay, we're gonna have to do this really, really quickly because this lightens really, really quickly. I got some foils so I can not process the other hair. So I got this brush. It's a nice soft bristle. Okay, so here we go. I mixed in about 2 scoops. Hopefully it's enough. I'll show you in a second. Okay? Hopefully it's enough. Should be enough. Alright, let's do this. So I'm just going to take little pieces. But I'm going to have to hurry up and do this. So now I put it on my hand so it could get on the back. Okay? Make sure it gets the whole strand. I'm not going to go all the way up. Okay. Entirely too much time on this one strand. Alright. Gonna move faster. But I don't want to mess up. This took a lot longer than I expected because one, it is kinky curly hair and it is a lot of hair on here. So this is the results that we got. And now I'm going to tone it. So I kind of like how I got different blondes throughout the whole thing. So let's see what's going to happen once we tone it. Alright, so I'm using T35. I'm putting a half of the bottle. And then I'm going to put 1 part 20 volume developer. Alright, so alright, just keep pouring in the bottle. I'm doing it off camera, but this is what I'm doing. I have a towel on the floor, so that way I don't make a mess. But I always make a mess anyway. Alright, so pour that mixture in. And mix it together. Now, I would normally whisk it, but the whisk has bleach on it. And I don't want to go back into and rinse it off and do all that stuff. Because I want to hurry up and get this done so I can dry and then style the wig. Because I have another unit that I have to create as well. Okay? So, here we go. Get it nice and jelly-like. So I just want to take this down, color down a notch. So hopefully this would give it more of a warm tone. Okay, even though it's kind of red, but I want to get rid of some of this brassy business that we got going on here. Okay? So get your gloves. Always get your gloves. Because you're dealing with peroxide. Hold on, I'll come back. Get your gloves. Always get your gloves because you're dealing with peroxide. And it's going to burn your hands. Okay? And I don't know what the long-term effects are from burning your hands, but let's not be the ones to try out. Figure it out. Anyway, alright. So, make sure you have all day to do this because it's not a one-shot deal. Alright, and just gonna, you want to do this, you do this on wet hair. So, I'm just gonna go and basically tone the wig. Alright, let me put my T-pins in so this thing doesn't move all over the place. This is a ventilated wig cap. So, a lot of room. You want to scratch your head, go right on ahead. Alright, so these unfortunately got a little lighter than I wanted. I should have taken it off a lot sooner, but okay, so you can see, put the toner all over it. I'm just putting it on the blonde strands because last time I did it, it actually lifted the hair color. So, whew. Girl, I gotta go make my husband some breakfast. It's probably already lunchtime. Unfortunately, this did take a lot longer than I anticipated. Okie Alright, so just keep putting the toner on. And I'm going to keep this on. I guess it's supposed to keep it on for 30 minutes to 45 depending. Alright. Make sure you have something on the floor to catch it. See the difference, but I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, these took really nicely at the bottom. See, they're not yellow. Let me zoom in. They're not yellow. It's like a beige kind of blonde sandy color.